afternoon, class. Hope you are all fine.
Yes.
How was the weekend? Situation and make sure that you keep the rubbish that you around. So let me call the register. Christina Nyato.
Present.
Tracy Chesere.
Present.
Naomi. Present. Magdalene.
Present.
Okay, I hope everyone is present. I'll give you the register letter so that you can sign your name beside. You sign beside your name. So, I have a plant over here. I hope you've seen this plant. Or have you met me? Maybe you can take it around. So, what unique feature do you notice about the leaves? Can someone try? Yes, Oma? Yeah, they are succulent leaves. And what's the importance of being succulent? To store water or to protect. It's like a cover that helps prevent transpiration, process through which plants lose water to water. So those are some ways in which the plant can survive in its environment. So today we will be talking about plant adaptation. So by the end of the session, we should be able to identify types of plant adaptation, explain ways in which plant adaptation support their survival. So we'll start with identifying types of plant adaptation. So we have three types of plant adaptation. One is the structural. And behavioral. So structural adaptation. So these are just the physical features or external characteristics of plants that make them survive in their environment. So we said that adaptation, this is whereby these are features or maybe the characteristics that make a plant survive in the environment. So we have structural, physiological, and behavioral. So the physiological features, these are just the internal processes, like maybe they can close their stomatas during the night to prevent transpiration. Then we have behavioral. Behavioral, these are just changes in the way plants respond or behave towards stimuli. So I have an activity. I want you all to come in front here. Faster. Yeah, and make a line. So this is what you are going to do. And two people, we have group A and group B. So the first two people, you come, you pick, then you read what it is, then they'll tell you what it is, right? Yes. So group A. So what the answer will be either structural, physiological, or behavioral. So then you go back and discuss with your group, then you show them the answer. Structural, work for yourself. So next, go back. Then yeah, deep roots, yeah, structural. Clap for yourself. Yes, it's behavioral. So clap for yourself. Next. Plant process fatigue stomata. It's not really physiological. So the internal processes, something that you can consider. So appreciate yourself. You can go back and sit. I hope you are right. We have structural, the example, all of the physical characteristics that your plants survive, like maybe the deep roots. Yes, the question. Okay. We have the physiological processes. These are just the internal processes, right? And then we have the behavioral, how plants maybe behave towards the stimuli. Example, we have you ever seen a sunflower? Okay. Let me say that you see that it's standing towards the light, right? So that's called phototropism. So let's go to the next learning outcome, which is to explain ways in which plant adaptations support their survival. Just come back here. So you can stand all around the one person to come and stand here. And see. I'll read how make the plant adapt to the environment, how it helps it adapt to the environment, right? Okay, so ikimshinda mnaweza mpea clue. Nino, after another person will come and sit there. So I'll read. Pick what seed category. Yes, how does it help the plant survive in the environment? Preservation of water. Yes. Okay, appreciator. Another person, former sit there. Prevent water loss. Deep roots.
absorb.
Water from the ground.
Appreciate him. Another person. Faster, faster. Leaf shading. Yes. Yes, to prevent water stealing, to dry season. Appreciator. Another person. Sit there. Then sit there. Broad leaves. Broad leaves. Sunlight. Yeah, they increase the surface area of support photosynthesis, right? How? Let me say that photosynthesis is the process through which plants make their own food through the presence of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, right? You cannot go and sit down. Then you the cell. So we are talking about ways in which plant adaptations support their survival. We have to reduce water loss. How? We have three categories that help prevent transpiration. We have stored water like circular stems that help the plant to store water. So I want you to be in two groups. Then you record in 30 seconds what you learned. So you use one phone, then the recording should be maybe 10 seconds, should not be long. What you learned in the session, right? Two groups, not the video, the recording. Then you come and play it right here. Audio. 1 minute. Two groups, please. Join the other group. Then from the other side. You record you want Are you from?
Types of plant adaptation: structural, physiological, behavioral.
Okay, when through, then come and play it here so that they understand. Can you play it? One person to start.
Types of plant adaptation: structural, physiological, behavioral.
Yeah, they have learned about types of plant adaptation, structural, physiological, and behavioral. Yes, they've learned about plant adaptation. So I have an assignment. So the assignment is that you discuss plant adaptation in aquatic habitat, and the due date is 10 October 2025, and make sure that you submit the assignment through my email. Here is my email address. After that, when do you have any question? Okay, so thank you for your time and for your cooperation.